Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my little corner and in my little chair. I got that from Cinderella. I think it's Roberts and Hammerstein. I think. Did I say it right? I don't know. You tell me in the comment section below. Anyhow, I wanted to come on here real quick, and I hope it's real quick, to let you all know that this is big. I mean, huge. That I'm gonna be live on Craftstash on the 24th at, I believe it's 9 a.m. Central. I will go ahead and double check those times for you, and I will put those times in the description area of this video. And I would love for you to please come and support me, not only because I am the first how would I put it? The first South American, the first Ecuadorian Latina to break out the big music. It's something huge, and I promise you, you will have the opportunity to win big, and I mean win huge, at Craftstash. You will be able to join through their Facebook page or through YouTube, and I will go ahead and leave you their channel link in the description area of this video. And if you could please subscribe to Craftstash and come support me on the 24th. Today's the 22nd, so that's Wednesday the 24th. Okay, gosh, it's huge. It's like a dream come true, and I humbly say that y'all had some part to do with it, that y'all had some part in it, and it was a lot of hard work, a lot of months in the making, and it's finally come to fruition. And God willing, this is only the beginning. Thank you so very much. Have a wonderful week.